Welcome back to Civil Engineering Academy. This is Matt, and today we work a problem from the FE Civil exam dealing with structures. So let's dive in. Which of the following loads will have an effect on the vertical reaction at point 2? Then we're given a basic frame structure with various loads applied to it. So to solve this problem, we'd first look at the FE reference handbook, and at the time of this recording, we're using version 10.2 of the reference handbook. But if we look in the structural section of the reference handbook, we don't see anything that'll explicitly help us solve this problem. So to solve it, we're going to have to use our engineering judgment and reasoning skills to reason through to the solution. So if we look at the structure, we're asked to find which loads will have an effect on the vertical reaction at point 2. So let's look at the structure and we identify where point 2 is, which is down here. And we first notice that there's a dead load and a live load up here, and these loads will directly transfer down this column to point 2. So they will have an effect on the vertical reaction at point 2. So in our Roman numeral choices, let's go ahead and check off both the dead and the live load because they will affect the vertical reaction at point 2. Next, let's look at this wind load, and it's a lateral load applied to the structure. And this lateral load causes something that's known as overturning. And we hear a lot about overturning in civil engineering, especially in structural engineering. And this lateral wind load applies this overturning moment to the structure and will force the structure to want to make a motion like this. And this is that overturning motion. And so this overturning motion boils down to an uplift force at point 1. And then a downward force at point 2. So the wind load will also have an effect on the vertical reaction at point 2. So if we look at the answer choices, we see that answer choice D, Roman numerals 1, 2, and 3, representing the dead load, live load, and wind load, is the correct answer. So I hope that helps you, and if you're looking for more practice and review as you prepare for your FE Civil exam, head on over to civilengineeringacademy.com and check out our Ultimate Civil FE Review Exam course, and we'll see you there.